Hello viewers, welcome to my channel and welcome to my first model kit unboxing and review. Today I will be reviewing the Jaguar XKE/E-Type model car from Revell, which is recently available for purchase out United States and Canada. I got mine from Michaels. Let's unbox it now. Inside, we've got a beautiful two-piece body. The hood is separate from the main part and can easily be pushed on. Because this is the brand new mold, the body is molded crisply clearly with no visible mold lines. Nice door panels over here too. And after you look at the body, inside the box are two sprues molded in red, consisting of the chassis with rear bumper, and other exterior parts such as this front bumper here and the radiator. All of the red parts shown in this area, including this and that, have no flash and are very easy to work with. I think I might leave mine unpainted. Now, let's look at the gray styrene. It comes in 3 different trees. This first tree shows the interior and back, like the door panels and the radiator and firewall. Very nice detailing. And inside this bag are 2 different sprues, which contain most of the gray parts used. This particular screw, which I am showing here, contains most of the engine parts like this and that. The dashboard over here, here's a better look at it. The seats and the wheel backs. These are molded very cleanly, as expected for a new kit, and have no flash. Flip over to the other side and you get a look at some of the other parts, such as the exhaust, some front suspension, the rear axle, and a few other pieces. I'll be painting these. Finally, let's take a look at the remaining parts. This kit includes a nice chrome tree with the rims and lots of trim and bumpers for the main body, such as this, and that. All of these parts are very delicate, so be careful when you build this. Also, here is the clear tree, which includes the windows and the headlights. Front window, side window, rear window. On the other side are the headlights, both big, small, front and back. The tires included with this kit, they're very nice. No visible sprue line on them, but there you got these like webs here. You have to cut these free first. The instructions provided in this kit are very easy to follow. Like how you have to paint it and like where you specifically put it. And also like a pretty good list of all the pieces available at the beginning. And the decal sheet provided is glossy and clear. You get the trim, the steering wheel, the dashboard parts, and many other pieces. Overall, I think that this kit is like a very good kit, and I think you should go buy it. I would recommend this particular kit here to any model car enthusiasts or just people who like to build cars.